Good morning. In the last lecture, we talked about time-dependent form of Schrodinger equation in 1 and 3 dimensions. In this lecture, we are going to talk about probability current or probability flux. Probability current or probability flux. You know psi in one dimension will be x of t, in 3 dimension it will be psi of x y z. It is always associated with particle in motion. As I told in the very first lecture, this psi is complex in nature. It is unlike the displacement. As it is complex, if psi is a complex quantity, psi star will be its complex conjugate. You studied complex numbers and their conjugates and their algebras in BSc first year. This is equal to square of modulus of psi. Product of a complex number and its complex conjugate is always square of modulus of the complex number. In quantum mechanics, this square of modulus of the function psi is named as probability density of a particle in motion. Square of modulus of psi, the wave function associated with a body or a particle in motion, is termed as probability density of a particle in motion. This probability density of a particle is nothing but probability of finding the particle in some region of the space. If the particle is confined to that region, the region under consideration of this space, the probability will be finite. And if the particle is there in the space, the probability, the finite probability should be conserved. The finite probability should be conserved provided that if the finite probability or the probability density of finding the particle in motion in a region of this space from x1 to x2, if this is finite, equal to 1, equal to unit, then the probability density will be conserved. There is a finite probability of finding the particle in the region specified in space. If the probability is not conserved, this equation is not true. For this equation to be true, the probability should be conserved. To study the conservation of probability current, to study the conservation of probability. Let us consider a region of space. This region of the space is considered. This region is starting at x1, ending at x2 in one-dimensional space. We have taken this in one-dimensional space. So this region is considered in one-dimensional space. So this region is also one-dimensional space. The particle is moving. It enters this region at x1, leaves the region at x2. The flux of probability or probability current. When the particle is moving, I may take this as known as the probability current or probability flux. When it exits this region, I may take S2 as the probability current or the flux of probability of the particle in motion. When I find change in probability of the particle from x1 to x2, it should be equal to S1 minus S2. S1, probability of finding the particle when it enters the given region at x1. S2, probability of finding the particle when it exits or leaves the region at x2. And from x1 to x2, its probability is changing. Difference in the probability current from x1 to x2 should be equal to time rate of change of probability of the probability density of the particle moving through this region. Mathematically, this may further be written as time rate of change of the probability of the particle from x1 to x2 in the given region is simply s1 minus s2, and this is known as probability conservation. We want to prove this equation using this probability equation and the region under consideration. To get this expression for probability conservation, let us start with the time dependent form of Schrodinger equation. And what is time dependent form of Schrodinger equation? This one. Time dependent form of one-dimensional Schrodinger equation is this: h cross divided by I into rho psi by rho t is equal to h cross square divided by 2m into rho 2 psi by rho x square minus b psi. Or let me put this further as if this I is taken in the numerator, we will have this I is minus IH cross rho psi by rho t is equal to H cross square by 2m rho 2 psi by rho x square minus d psi. We may have this as equation number 3. Or this may be for the IH cross this minus taken to right side, to write equation 3 as IH cross rho psi by rho t is equal to minus H cross square divided by 2m rho 2 psi by rho x square plus d psi is equal to 3 psi, equation number 4. Now, psi is a complex function. Using this complex function, we wrote this one-dimensional Schrodinger time-dependent form equation. Let us write the same equation using its complex conjugate. How to write this equation using complex conjugate? Replace I with minus I, psi with psi star. And one-dimensional Schrodinger time-dependent form of equation using complex conjugate of psi will be replacing I by minus I, psi by psi star. We have here one-dimensional Schrodinger equation in time-dependent form using its complex conjugate. Multiply equation 4 with psi star. Multiply equation 5 with psi. Let us do these things to get two new equations. Let us first do this two, so that we will have equation 4 now as now do this multiplication and write it here. Multiply equation 4 by psi star, we get equation 6, and multiply equation 5 by psi, we get equation 7. Then subtract equation 7 from equation 6. Subtract equation 7, right. Subtract equation 7 from equation 6 to get equation 6 is this. minus this minus this is minus, this is minus, minus will become plus. This IH cross can be taken common. These two can be taken inside the bracket, and LHS of this equation will be come to the RHS, minus plus minus. Okay, so if I take this minus sign inside, this will become plus, this will become minus. Okay, this plus V psi star psi, this minus V psi star will get cancelled. Then I may take x square divided by 2m common, h cross square divided by 2m minus what left here is this one. Minus is taken common, so minus will come here. So after making the subtraction of equation 7 from equation 6, we arrived here. IH cross into psi star dou psi by dou t plus psi dou psi star by dou t is equal to minus h cross square divided by 2m psi star dou 2 psi by dou x square minus psi dou 2 psi star by dou x square. This bracket can further be written as